Health benefits of eating coconut. Coconut is an edible fruit which belongs to the Cocos nucifera palm. This mature nut is one of the most used ingredients in the kitchen of Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Coconuts probably originated somewhere in Indo-Malaya and are one of the most important crops of the tropics. Coconut flesh is high in fat and can be dried or eaten fresh or processed into coconut milk or coconut oil. The liquid of the nut, known as coconut water, is used in beverages. Coconut contains a high amount of saturated fats, but these are harmless. They contain medium chain triglycerides (MCT), which are fatty acids of medium length. These fatty acids are absorbed differently by the body. They go straight to the liver from the digestive tract and are further turned into ketone bodies. This can have therapeutic effects on brain disorders like epilepsy and Alzheimer's. Coconut contains fiber content. Coconut is high in dietary fiber and provides a whopping 61% of fiber. Coconut fiber slows down the release of glucose and transports it to the cell where it is converted into energy. It assists in relieving stress on the pancreas and enzyme system, which reduces the risk of developing diabetes. Coconut controls diabetes. Coconut improves the insulin secretion and utilization of blood glucose. It controls diabetes by positively affecting the hormones for blood sugar control. This slows down the rise in blood sugar level and helps to reduce glycemic cravings. Coconut benefits quick digestion and other symptoms associated with digestive and bowel disorders. It supports absorption of nutrients and minerals while providing dietary fiber. It also reduces vomiting and nausea. Coconut have anti-aging property. Cytokinins, kinetin, and transzetin present in coconut have antithrombotic, anti-carcinogenic, and anti-aging effects on the body. Coconut boosts immunity. Coconut nutrition is excellent for the immunity system. It is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and antiparasitic. Intake of coconut oil can help the body to mount resistance to both viruses and bacteria that cause illness. That said, can you eat raw coconut? Consuming coconut in its raw form can help to treat some of the worst and most resilient illnesses like throat infection, bronchitis, urinary tract infection, tapeworms, and other ailments caused by microbes. Coconut treats abdominal fat. Coconut is also beneficial in treating dangerous fat in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal fats are the most dangerous of all the fats and are associated with various diseases. A 200 grams of coconut serving daily can lead to significant reduction in both BMI and waist circumference in just 12 weeks. Jesse Feeder, registered dietitian at the Memorial Regional Hospital South, says research is very limited and inconsistent in regard to coconut and belly fat reduction. However, coconut does contain a healthy amount of fiber and MCT, which can help curb your appetite and lead you to consume fewer calories during the day. This can help you lose weight and consequently belly fat. Although I personally would not rely too heavily on a coconut to reduce belly fat, it's best to have a well balanced diet and do daily exercise to achieve this. Improves overall health. Research has proven that people who consume coconut daily are healthier when compared to those who don't. In some countries, it is a dietary fiber that people have thrived on for many generations. Coconut boosts energy. Coconut helps to increase energy by burning fat. You can opt for coconut for weight loss support. The triglycerides found in coconut oil increase 24 hours of energy expenditure by 5%, leading to weight loss in the long run. It is also known to reduce longer bangs. This is directly related to the way fatty acids in the body are metabolized as ketones, which have an appetite reducing effect. People who consistently use coconut products have a stronger ability to go without eating for several hours with no effects of hypoglycemia. It also promotes healthy thyroid function and helps to relieve the symptoms of chronic fatigue. However, the effectiveness of eating raw coconut for weight loss is yet to be studied. Epilepsy. A ketogenic diet is a low carb diet which is used to treat various disorders. Its best known application is treating epilepsy in children. The diet involves eating little carbs and large amounts of fat, which can lead to increased concentration of ketone bodies in the blood. This diet can dramatically reduce the rate of seizures in epileptic children. Coconut fights cancer. Coconut nutrition has also proven to have anticancer properties. It is especially beneficial to treat colon and breast cancer. Keeps you hydrated. Coconut water contains crucial electrolytes that help in maintaining hydration. People involved in easy workouts and other strenuous activities should include as much coconut water as they can in their diet. Coconut water replaces the lost electrolytes, provides hydration, and increases immune response. It is a better alternative to water as it is tastier than plain water and is loaded with nutrition. Coconut has nutritious and healthy values. Coconut water is considered to be more nutritious and healthier than whole milk. It contains lauric acid, which is considered equivalent to mother's milk. It is naturally sterile as it permeates through the filtering husk. It also helps with hangovers. Coconut water has a natural isotonic beverage in the same level as that in the blood. Prevents urinary tract infection. The natural diuretic property of coconut treats urinary tract infection. It improves the flow of urine to get rid of the infection naturally. Improves blood cholesterol. Coconut helps to improve blood cholesterol levels in the body and lowers the risk of heart diseases. The saturated fats in coconut raise the good cholesterol in the body and control the LDL2 or benign subtype. This improvement in cardiovascular risk factors theoretically leads to reducing risk of developing heart diseases. Let's control acidity and heartburn. Coconut water can also help to alleviate acidity and heartburn problems. Extremely beneficial during pregnancy. Coconut water is sterile and is very good for pregnant ladies. It improves the immunity and health of the mother and baby and prevents infection and other diseases. It also boosts the levels of amniotic fluid to improve the overall health of the fetus. Coconut fights against bacteria. Coconut contains high content of monolaurin and lauric acid, which helps to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and keeps infection at bay. Good for oral hygiene. Coconut water can also be used as an out rinse to kill mouth bacteria, reduce bad breath, and improve the overall dental health. Coconut has healthy effect on bones and teeth. Eating coconuts regularly supports the development of healthy bones and teeth. It improves the body's ability to absorb calcium and manganese, which aid bone development. It also prevents osteoporosis, a condition which makes the bones thin and fragile and loses its density. Thus, it is a healthy alternative for those who are lactose intolerant. Fights dryness. Coconut oil, if used on skin, prevents dryness and flakiness and keeps it moisturized and supple. It also supports the skin and works to repair the damage it has acquired over time. It eases a common skin condition called neurosis, which is characterized by dry, rough, and flaky skin. It also reduces the severity of atopic dermatitis, which is prone to infections like Staphylococcus aureus. The use of coconut cleanses and neutralizes the toxins, fungi, and bacteria on the outer layers of the skin, which not only detoxifies but also builds the skin uh, natural immune system and protection. Coconut has a effect on dry hands. Extra virgin coconut oil can also be used to treat dry and parched hands. Regular dishwashing often dries out the skin and makes them unsightly. Instead of using expensive chemical-laden cosmetics, apply virgin coconut oil on the hands to get beautiful and smooth hands. Coconut prevents skin cancer. It improves the moisture and lipid content in the skin and prevents skin cancer by blocking 20% of harsh ultraviolet rays. It can be used as a body and skin moisturizer as it hydrates the skin by replenishing the natural oils. Coconut oil can also be used to clean the face by rubbing it in circular motions. Coconut may keep the skin youthful. Coconut oil is excellent for keeping the skin young and beautiful. Its antioxidant property slows down the aging process by protecting the body from harmful free radicals. Massaging a few drops of coconut oil daily will keep it healthy and smooth. Apply it onto the skin before showering. This will open the pores while showering and will allow the oil to absorb through the skin more efficiently. Coconut cleans the skin. Eating coconut hydrates the skin and makes it youthful and supple. Take a teaspoon of raw, uncooked coconut oil and massage the skin with it. This will minimize the outbreaks of skin rashes and irritations and will beautify the skin from inside when taken internally. Coconut promotes blood circulation. Eating coconut regularly boosts oxygen in the skin and promotes blood circulation. Our cells need an adequate amount of oxygen, which can only be made possible by proper circulation in the body that carries oxygen. This allows proper breathing of the skin and promotes healthy and flawless complexion. Coconut reverses effects of tanning. Coconut water can also help to reverse tanning. Mix Fuller's Earth with coconut water and apply it all over the skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Apply this face pack twice weekly to get a tan-free skin. Coconut treats oily skin. Coconut water can also be used to treat oily skin. It washes away excess oil from the skin and keeps the skin tone more even. Coconut water is also very effective on acne, black spots, and blemishes. Make a face pack by mixing half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, and coconut water. Apply it on the face thrice weekly to get clear and glowing skin. Removes eye makeup. Coconut oil can also be used to remove eye makeup. Put a few drops of coconut oil on a cotton ball and wipe your eyes with it. It effectively removes the tough eye makeup by breaking down the ingredients in the eye makeup. It keeps the skin hydrated too. Coconut used as body co- Coconut oil used as body scrub. Coconut can also be used as body scrub. Mix some coconut oil and a cup of brown sugar and stir well. Finally, scrape some coconut shell, add a few drops of essential oil and mix it. Your scrub is ready to use. You can also mix 1 tablespoon of coconut water and lentils to make a paste. Rub it gently on the face for 2 minutes and then wash off. Coconut prevents scalp infections. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of coconut protects the scalp from dandruff, lice, and itchy scalp, which often slows down the hair growth. Coconut helps maintain healthy hair. Coconut can also help you to get shiny and silky hair. The vitamin K and iron content in coconut maintain the health of the hair and impart shine to it. How much coconut should I eat a day? Eating 1.3 cups, 100 gram of fresh coconut daily may support weight loss and reduce blood glucose levels. Feder says in moderation, coconut is a great addition to one's daily diet. However, it is important to note that for those prone to high cholesterol, I recommend limiting your intake of coconut due to its high saturated fat content. The saturated fat in coconut can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Make you sleepy. According to Feder, coconut does contain a significant amount of magnesium and potassium, which are known to help relax muscles. This can help make you feel relaxed overall at night and sleepy. However, during the day, you most likely will not get sleepy from eating coconut or drinking coconut water. Eating coconut good at night. No scientific evidence supports the benefits of consuming coconut at night. However, coconut contains fiber and healthy fats. Eating coconut may help burn extra fat from the body, help keep your heart healthy, and improve good cholesterol levels in the body. Is the best time to eat coconut? It depends on your preferences. You may consume coconut during the daytime or a piece of dry coconut at night.